I always send out a proposal. And the reason I do this is that, number one, it's very simple for me to create it from Salesforce that we're using internally as our CRM. By a click of a button, I can choose the correct template. All of the information is automatically filled in to the proposal. And after that, I can send it to my prospect. And what is really cool with Oneflow is that during the process, I can help them and nudge them forward during all stages. So just the basic thing as I can see what they're doing inside that proposal. How many times have they opened it? But this type of analytics really help me in my sales process because I can always make sure that I'm actually calling. But of course, when we come to that stage, as most of salespeople come to, when you have to negotiate something, maybe give a bit of a discount, something similar, instead of going back and forth between documents, having the possibility after a call with the prospect to instantly make an edit in the proposal, it gives that magic wow effect, which gives me the possibility to wow the clients before I've even sold anything to them, especially since they're gonna, buy the thing that I'm sending my proposal through. And this really visualizes it for them. How could I use this in my sales process?